Kaya pagputihin mo.
Ganyan, nakikita mo. Kita mo, please.
Kailangan pala mabilis ang magdedemo pagpapawisan.
Hindi ko.
Kailangan tugunin.
Sasaluhin mo ka naman maulong. Huwag ka naman makita.
Tatali.
Buhay pa ako.
Tatali pa? Tatali talaga.
Ay, your charm. Nagwawala.
Siya nga, tatali talaga.
Ay, sa kamay din.
Mental pa.
Yung kamay excited. Excited.
Dorsal.
Dorsal. Dorsal.
Yan, oy. Tapos
Ganun.
Ay, galing! Para may ano, may harang.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Mangay na.
Bongga!
Uyak pa, takbol mo ka. Para sa babae.
Wala sa babae yun.
Wala babae.
Ay, bubukang na naman.
Diamond drape tawag po.
Diamond Ray.
Oo, diamond pa.
Actually, naka-diagonal pa nga dati. Eh, datali mo.
Tali din. Yung
Dalawa.
babae may
Magkano
katali
lang
lang.
ganun.
Kahit anong tali lang po.
Yan, sa lalaki.
Expose it.
Ah, sa lalaki gano'n.
May silip ka. Ay, takiya tawa. I-upload.
Walang upload!
Ano mo na nangyari?
Ang jarte?
Ikaw na nga, Lloyd. Ikaw na.
Excuse me.
Pero pasyente yan. Pagka naanuan.
Okay,
Malayo pag dito. Yung mismo kamay lang naman sa
Okay, perennial care. Okay, first, we need to check the physician's order for the type of perennial care. Next, you have to wash your hands because you're going to hold contaminated articles. So wash your hands and this to prevent the spread of microorganisms. Okay, so next, identify the patient. So how will you identify the patient? By looking at his or her ID bracelet. Sa hospital may mga ID bracelet or name tag, or you can look at the headboard, footboard or sideboard of the bed, or by simply asking his or her name. Okay. Next, gather all the materials needed. So we have here the perineal tray, flashing pitcher, basin with water, plain water, cotton balls, emesis basin, receptacle for used cotton balls. Lalagyan ng malunod. Gamit. Used. Solution as ordered by the physician. Sterile picked up forceps. You can use a dry cloth for drying the patient's perineum. Dry washcloth or any clean cloth. Towel. Bedpan. Disposable gloves. Tama. Okay, in this procedure, you have to provide patients privacy by closing the curtain. Okay. And of course, you have to wear gloves. Okay. So when you wear gloves, Swimming na lang ano.
Swimming mo na sa plate.
Yan. Okay, so you have to prepare the 3 sets of cotton balls. So first, you have to put cotton balls.
Battery.
Okay, the one with solution. You have to pour the solution to the cotton balls. No? Show me na lang. Show me.
Naubos naman yung battery.
Okay, so next you have to use a clean forceps when you put the cotton balls on the NSS-AC. Okay. Next, go to the patient. So place the patient in a semi-fallows position by raising the head of the bed. Okay. Semi-fallows. Then dorsal recumbent position by placing the feet flat on the bed. Dorsal recumbent. Flexion your knees. Place the feet flat on the bed. Okay? Ito yung ano. Okay, so next, use diamond drape for female. Diamond drape. So when I say diamond drape, okay, expose the area. No? Then make sure the gown is out of the way. Okay. Yung naka-gown yun. Secure the gown. Make sure the gown is out of the way. Expose the area. And then you have to place a towel under the patient's buttocks. Towel. Okay, lift the patient's buttocks.
May marifol na.
Patient na patient ka.
Sir, paano kung hindi siya makagalaw?
Kaya kung kaya niya pang gumalaw, side lying position. Okay, before you place a patient in side lying position, you have to raise the side rails of the bed. Yung harang sa gilid. Strong. Case-to-case basis to. Then kung hindi siya strong, so you can lift the buttocks. Then insert the towel under his or her buttocks. Okay? Next, followed by the bedpan. So when you hold the bedpan, okay, hold at the side. And place the flat surface on the patient's buttocks. So place this on under the patient's buttocks. Okay? Uupan to talaga. Yeah.
Para tulan ng tubig.
Inuupan talaga to. Siguro na upuan.
Ay, may design yun. Kasi dyan yun nung clip na tato. Umayos ka naman sa amin.
Kailangan naka-flat surface, sir, you know.
Assuming na lang.
Assuming.
So yung flat surface, yung buttocks nandito sa flat surface, yung maliit siguro, maliit na. Maliit na. Dapat ganito.
Ayun, sir.
Open mo nga, pero tataon.
Tamaog na.
Basta nasa ilalim.
Okay.
Okay, so first we need to flush the urine
Ayun na.
water.
Water.
Using a plain water. Flush.
Ay, hindi makuha yung mukha niya.
Next, get a 1 piece of cotton ball with solution using a sterile pick-up process.
Kamay mo na lang. Ganun mo na lang. Oh. Ganun mo kamay mo pwede.
Kaya na, itaas mo para makikita.
Sabi na nga yan? Ayan.
Wala, hinirapan ka, tumano ka na. Mupo ka na lang.
Pasyente kasi yan.
Mabigo. Nahihirapan ang pasyente.
Nahihira naman to si
Unconscious.
Unconscious daw siya.
Magaling ka naman mo.
Yeah, ganyan. Ayan.
Go,
Female ang
girl.
una. Get 1 piece of cotton ball with solution. And
Zigzag.
starting from the mons pubis down zigzag motion downwards to Then discard the used cotton ball. Then get another piece of cotton ball with solution. Repeat as often as necessary. Okay. Discard. Next. Iski ng langit. Talapia Majora. Right or right? Right. Anyway, kahit right or left. Okay, okay. For Labia Majora, number 7. Ito, number 7, downward stroke. Sumulit.
One single stroke.
One single stroke.
Isang series na kada
Discard. Pati sa
Discard.
pag-ikot naman.
Discard. Hindi discharge. Discard it out. Then discard. Nakaklap din isa. Next, retract. Then lead the labia minora, number 7, downward stroke. Back. Then
Discard.
ulit. Repeat as often as necessary. Do it on the other side. And discard. Next, the vulva, the clitoris, the urethral orifice, then the vaginal orifice. One downward stroke. Okay. Discard. Then get another piece of cotton ball with
Single stroke.
What else? Anus, ganun ka anus. For the anus, ano yung ginawa ko? Outwarding. Nasa pinakamalinis. Sa pinakamarami. Pwede mo naman ulitin. Outward.
Babay naman mo yung top.
Nasa paloob. Discard, then repeat as often as necessary. Then,
Flush.
rinse.
Lahat na yan.
Rinse using a...
Sir, paano ko may vulva?
Ay, ba dito bulba na una?
Yung mismo ba yung sex organ? Sabi na yun.
Isang ano na lang.
Sa video.
Rinse.
Yung majora tsaka yung minora.
Okay, rinse using plain water as often as necessary. Okay?
Tutulad ko nga, nalilip.
As often.
Hindi malinis.
Pag umabaw na remove then
Pero sir, nilagyan ng solution tapos yan. Tapos babalik. Para sa bunyo, pinakasabi. Finish na ba yun?
Beans pan.
Female. Sige.
male.
That pinost mo muna.
Ay, dry sir.
Dry pala.
Try.
Yan, ako sa
Dry.
Rain.
So if the patient is strong, allow him or her to use it.
Ganyan lang sa pagpuna.
Tap lang, tap.
Dampi, dampi.
What tap? What a tap?
Next,
Tinataktak na.
male. Sabay-sabay nila short. For male, gawin natin penetrator.
Illustrated. Ito P-grade na to.
So,
Ay,
then,
male.
assuming bago ito, place the penetrated drapes, place the towel under the patient's buttocks, then med pad. And for male,
Taas.
ano kayo Ben, diba?
Yes.
Kailangan, nahawakan mo siya ng
Tataas.
may lupay mo yun. Then, teka lang. Assuming.
Papawisan.
Nasuwa.
Cotton ball solution. Get one piece, then starting from the sakay mons pubis. Zigzag, downward. Then repeat as often as necessary. Discard. Get another piece of cotton ball. Okay. Hold the penis 90 degrees. Starting from the tip of the urethra, circular motion, inward, then discard. Get another piece of cotton ball solution and wipe or clean the glans penis, circular motion. baba. Downward. And second corona glandis. Then discard. Then the corona glandis. Okay. Corona glandis. Circular motion. Okay. Next for the after corona glandis, the shaft, one downward stroke. Body. Pull. Discard. Depende sa laki yan. Kung marami kang magamit mas maraming hula. Mas maraming huling isda. Basta hanggang sa malinis yan. Okay, next. Scrotum. So for scrotum, pwede circular or
Bilog ka Maya.
for scrotum, so yun lang, circular motion.
Outward.
So nalinis na yung taas.
Outward to inward.
So repeat na lang as often as then do it on the other side. Paikot mo. Next. Anus. Anus din.
Kanina lang din.
Outward.
Inward.
Inward.
Rinse.
Skirt then. Rinse.
Repeat.
May ganun pa talaga eh.
If strong, allow the patient to okay, next is the aftercare. Aftercare, remove the bed pad under the patient's buttocks. Remove the bed pad, hold at the side, set aside, and then remove the towel. So you can, in this procedure, you can change the linen if necessary.
Tatali mo
So,
muna.
linen. Sa babae lang.
Remove mo muna yung gloves for a
Parang
while.
hinulog ko siguro yung lane.
Wash your hands, then
Pareho.
back your patient.
Babae na lang.
Is the patient in a comfortable position?
Sir, pareho ba lalaki, babae, tatali?
Isa sa lalaki, isa na pinakatali.
Penetrated.
Isa lang.
Dalawa.
Sa babae, dalawa.
Ang tigis.
So bago niya ayusin yung mga gamit, so before the aftercare, so patient muna. So is the patient in a comfortable lying position? Ayusin yung muna.
Sa babae, sir, right yung tatali.
Pareho.
Sa feet.
Sa lalaki.
Sabi ko, you can change the linen as well as the gown if necessary.
Ayan, ikataas. Mayawa ka na dyan.
And leave the patient warm, dry, and comfortable. Then again, wear your gloves. Tapos, go to the bathroom. Then discard the remaining flush toilet. Clean. Disinfect. Then for use column both, discard. Wash all the articles as well as the basin, the flashing feature, the dentist basin, the forceps, and you may also sterilize. And then you may now place the articles. These proper places for the soiled linen or soiled towel. I'll place it in the laundry after. Okay, so afterwards, so you may now remove your gloves, wash your hands, and document the procedure.